5 years warranty on the compressor, a very sleek and compact design, silver in color, very eco-friendly and very energy saving is one of the cool features that these two fridges have. This one is 100 watts rating, 279 kilowatts power per year, while this one is 100 watts as well, 292 kilowatts per hour per year. This one is 154 liters in Naka hivi. This is the freezer, while this is the refrigerator. Has a very wide compartment setting. It got a very good and strong big storage boxes, good enough for your storage into hizi hapa. This one is going for only 33,000 Kenyan shillings. And then tukona hii hapa 120 liters inaka hivi on the inside. This is the freezer and this is the fridge. Again, it has a very wide compartment sitting on the inside, very good enough for your storage. Imagine this fridge is only going for 26,500. Both of these fridges are on very, very crazy June offers. Do not let yourself be passed by this. Kujia hizi fridges ziko hapa at Home Appliances. Tuko located the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Neighbors Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2. I'm on the shop here kwa website yetu, go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke.